Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu Chinese shopping app. For everyone that have this particular app, most especially if they do not understand Chinese speaking language right here, a lot of people are finding it difficult to translate this app from Chinese to English language or whatever language of their choice. What if I told you that I have found a new method that allow you to use this particular app in English language or any other language of your choice without any stress? Let me show you how. All you have to do, if you have the app on your phone, you open up the app right here. But this new method is not going to be happen right here. Okay, so let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do is to exit from my Xianyu app right here. And the next thing you want to do is to make sure you go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Make sure you open up your Chrome browser. Open up your Chrome browser. First thing first, make sure you convert your web browser from mobile view to desktop. And for that, go ahead and click on these three dots right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on settings. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here and make sure you look for site settings. Then scroll down right here and make sure you look for desktop site. Go ahead and click on desktop site. Then make sure you switch to desktop right here. So request desktop view. Then go back again. Go back. Then from the address bar right here, go ahead and click on search Google or type. Then go ahead and type in the official website of Xianyu, www.gofish.com, hit enter. And it's going to take you to the official web page of Xianyu. Now, what you need to know right here is that if you're having access to the app from Chrome browser, it's automatically, so if you have a pop-up to log in right here, what you need to do is to simply click on here to close this pop-up. You don't need to log in right here. Now, here, you have the app, you have the website open right here and automatically being translated into English language right here. Okay. In some cases, if your Xianyu website here was not translated into English language, go ahead and make sure you click on these three dots from the top corner right here. Then make sure you look for translate. Scroll down right here and make sure you look for translate. Just click on translate and the language will be automatically translated to the default language you choose yourself, just like so. Now, how can you use this particular web version and the app for easy translation of the goods and know everything about the product you want to buy from the app and the Chrome version right here? Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So let's go. The next thing we want to do right here, let's say we are looking for iPhone 12. Okay, so I'm going to come to the address search engine right here in Xianyu web. So I'm going to let me just zoom out and come to the top right here and then go ahead and enter iPhone 12. Hit search, and in a few minutes it's going to show us all available iPhone. Then if you still have this pop-up right here asking you to log in, just click on here and close this pop-up right here. Simple as that. Now you have the result for iPhone 12 and everything here is translated into English language. Now let's say for instance you want to check on this particular iPhone 12, this one right here with 350 yuan right here. So what you need to do is to go ahead and click on the product link. So when you click on the product link, it's going to load up right here. Then, and as you can see, automatically page translated to English. Then this pop up here, go ahead and click on here and then make sure you close the pump-up, just like so. Now, at this point here, everything still automatically translated into English language. You can zoom and read product detail right here. So you can see Apple iPhone 12. So everything here is being translated successfully to English language. Now I can understand much better about this particular phone right here. This is a locked overseas fashion book, and then 64 gig RAM, Apple, iPhone 12, 4 gig, etc. Now we understand everything about this product right here. Then I can come to the sidebar and check all the product picture, everything right here. Okay, so right here. Now the purpose of using web fashion here is to be able to translate into English language, because you cannot buy from the web fashion. You have to buy from the app. And as a result of that, since we have already understand the translation, since we have already translated everything here into English language, then the next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and see how we can locate this particular product direct from the app and place order or contact the seller without any stress. So for that, we have to do everything from Chrome fashion right here. Just swipe this way. Then you have to make sure you zoom, and then you continue to zoom and continue to zoom right here until you see product code right here. So go ahead and click on product code. So when you click on product code, zoom in again, then you have access to the product code right here. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and screenshot this product code. Having screenshot the product code, next thing we want to do here is to access from the web fashion. Then I have to go ahead and come back to my Xianyu app right here. Then having opened up my Xianyu app, we have to make sure we track that particular product from web fashion to the app right here. For that, go ahead and click on this icon. So I'm going to click on it right here. The next thing you want to do here is to make sure you go ahead and click on this image icon. Then go ahead and select the product code. Click on upload to Xianyu, and in a few seconds, it's going to scan and give us the exact product sample, just like what you see right here. You can see everything about it right here. You can see the product picture. If you go to the web fashion here, come back to web fashion here. I'm going to close the product code now. Close the login pop-up, close the product code. Then we have it right here. The product detail and the price, everything remains the same in the app right here. You can see 350 and everything. You can scroll down so you can see all the product picture. This is the first product picture on the web fashion. If you come back to web fashion right here, and then we have the first product picture right here. So this pump up here again, close it. Then we have the first product picture to be the same right here. And if you take a look at the profile of the seller right here, you find out that they are the same on the app. So let's go to the profile picture right here. So you have it right here. So click on the profile right here, and it's going to load up. Click on the profile picture. Then you find out that everything still remains the same, just like what we have in the web fashion right here. It's that simple. So let's go ahead and go back to the app right here. So from here, we can easily check more from the store right here, and we can go ahead and contact the seller. So this is the product right here. It was just posted about 72 hours ago on this particular store right here. So let's go back to the product page. So we have detail has been explained, and the likes. It's that simple. So this is a new method I found on how to use your Xianyu app in English language or whatever language of your choice. So if you are interested in the product, just go ahead and click on this particular chat box right here. Then you can go ahead and send message to the seller. You can go ahead and send a default message, and the message will be sent to the seller. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how to ship and import products from China using Xianyu Chinese shopping app or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.